going on, Texas Top Producers? Right here in Llano Springs. Monique, what brought you out today?
I was invited to come out today. It was a First Texas home.
This lovely, beautiful First Texas home.
I got the invite and I thought it would be a great idea to come because I have a client that's actually looking in this area and she's looking at new construction.
Tell me, what are some of the things you noticed about the community as you were driving in?
It's really pretty. It's a nice area.
It's actually really quiet. I love how established it already is just to be a new community, and the homes are just beautiful.
When I come to this area, there is a certain exquisiteness, a certain elegance. The landscape is pretty. So yeah, Llano Springs is a beautiful place.